again.
He's too close to the fence.
Tip the cow. just joking. Get on the cow.
No, there's an electric fence right there. Just move a little bit forward.
That was awesome.
No electric fence, okay?
Sit up. One hand.
Woo! No, not the fence. God, you're a dumb cow.
He knows where to go. He's like, I'm electrocuting her. Okay, I'm gonna try it now.
Look at those ones.
Good luck. They're gonna run away.
Can I jump on your back?
No! Okay, I'm gonna ride this one. Camera.
It's already starting.
I know.
Oh.